Higher education takes place at universities and further education colleges, and normally includes undergraduate and postgraduate study. Higher education gives you the chance to study a subject you are interested in and can boost your career prospects and earning potential. Who goes to university or college? Anyone can go to university or college to study at higher education level. Why would you go? There are lots of different reasons why people decide to go to a university or college. Study a subject you really enjoy, gain skills for a particular job, meet people from different cultures and backgrounds, gain new experiences. There is the opportunity to join clubs and societies, do a work placement, or choose to study abroad. Become more independent. You'll be responsible for your own studies, completing chores and looking after your money. What would you study? Unlike school, at university or college, you tend to only study 1 or 2 subjects at a time. This is known as a single or joint honours degree. The length of a degree can vary from 2 years to 7 years. During these years, you will learn new and exciting things about your subject as you progress in your studies. How do I get into a university or college? To go to university or college, you will need to have obtained certain qualifications. The qualifications you need will vary depending on the institution you apply to or the subject you decide to study. Take a look on university or college websites for their entry requirements. Have you ever heard of degree apprenticeships? These are higher education qualifications that are run in partnership with employers and universities. During a degree apprenticeship, you will spend some of your time working for an employer while you study for your degree. The employer pays your tuition fees, and there is a high chance of a job with the employer once you graduate. Studying for a higher education qualification can develop your knowledge, enhance your career prospects, expand your life experiences,